Thought I'd give you guys an update on Aces High 57 Chevrolet. We've been working on it for a long time. Well, I've been back on it for the last few weeks. And I don't know what Junior had on Nitro Union as far as the last video goes, but I got the injection all sorted out, bolted on the engine. Rock arms is all adjusted. The engine's pretty well ready to drop in the car. I've had a primer on the oil pump, pumping up oil pressure ever so often, rolling it over. It's getting dusty sitting there, but it's pretty much ready to drop in the car. That's the transmission that's going in right there, Doug Nash 5-speed. And I don't lie about it, man, this Firewall has been kicking my butt. I did it like a year ago and I wasn't satisfied, so I ripped it all out, threw it away, started another Firewall. Didn't like it. And you see some of the scrap metal that I've pretty much wasted, but I wasn't gonna be satisfied till I got it like I wanted it. Well, I finally nailed it down, and that's this side of the Firewall right here. And I can say the whole thing of this car is gonna be Aces High, so you can see where I rolled the card thing in there, going kind of theme toward the car. And I got this thing about master cylinders. I hate looking under the hood of a car and seeing a big, ugly, rusty master cylinder. So having the Firewall, it's gonna look so good. So what I decided I wanted to do, I wanted to mount the master cylinder underneath the dash and run some remote lines to it. So this is where I'm at today. And we got this master cylinder. It come off of like a mid-90s Caravan Dodge. They're lightweight aluminum. I think it's like a 7/8 or 15/16 diameter. So I made this bracket. It's gonna mount like right there. Weld this bracket on. The master cylinder gonna be completely up under the dash, unseen. My push rod will come up through this hole, swinging from the pedal. And so far, that's where I'm at with it. And I'm pretty satisfied with that look. So the master cylinder is gonna be hidden. My plan is to have the old speaker grill hinge where I can just raise it up with a remote fill for the brake fluid right there. And anyway, I'm still beating the bushes on it. Don't give up on me. But it's coming along. Hopefully the next video, I really want to get this done. The Firewall, it just like sticking back in and riveting in. I'm through with that. And then I want to get the motor set up in it with the transmission. So it's getting closer to making some pretty good progress on it. But this progress like this is just slow. That's all I know to tell you. A lot of work, a lot of sweat. It's hot down here in Mississippi. But this is where I'm at. I appreciate y'all supporting our page, Nitro Union. Go to it, check it out. You'll see this whole build up to this point where we got it to. I finally got the quarter panels on both sides. And they fit really pretty good. That's my first complete quarter panel job I've ever done. But I was satisfied with that too. This is the board of Firewall. This will be right behind the distributor. Like I say, you can see all the scraps. I mean, if it didn't look right, I'd walk around and I just have to jerk it out, rip it all out, and start over until I'm satisfied with it. Is it perfect? No. It satisfies me. I'm not worried about satisfying anybody else. But like I say, maybe next time you see it, you'll see the motor and transmission in it and make a little more progress.